Hey, so Steve Rode from the Penny Stupid Project. I wanted to evaluate which of the two most popular Amazon FBA arbitrage packages is a good one to do.
Perfect.
There's reviews out there on both of these packages, Tactical Arbitrage and Source Mogul. I think I've watched all of them. Comparisons, reviews, everything else. But one of the things that gets me is you're watching these videos and are they trying to just push you into one of these packages by promoting an affiliate link? Or do they really believe in the software, the website, the service itself? I'm going to evaluate Source Mogul first. And I just wanted to start here with showing you what pricing looked like on each of them.
Thanks for flying with us.
So the recommendation seems to be, let's go to monthly here on Tactical Arbitrage. It seems to be this online arbitrage package on Tactical Arbitrage costs about $89 a month. Actually, exactly $89 a month. And
Come on.
you can sign up here and you get, I think it's also a 7-day free trial. But the one we're going to look at today is Source Mogul. I'm going to show you what it's actually like to sign up.
Okay.
I have not been into the sign up process at all on this website. It's going to be as new for me as it is for you watching this. Looks like the monthly special offer right now is $67 a month for the first 3 months, and then it goes to $97 a month.
Oh no.
Hey, if it pays for itself in finding products, then the difference between $89 a month and $97 a month isn't such a big deal.
Correct answer.
All right, let's get rid of the Tactical Arbitrage website. There you go.
Watch carefully.
And let's get right into
Very nice.
signing in. Free trial. I like this button, free trial button.
Fantastic.
Monthly special. Yes, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to get the free trial.
Correct answer.
Okay, I'm going to create an account. I'm going to call this that name.
Ah. Come on.
And I'm going to use that password.
No problem. Let's go.
Okay, I'm going to accept the terms and conditions.
Watch carefully.
Ah. All right, well, looks like we got to give them a credit card number to start with. So let's do that.
Come here.
Okay. I hit the sign up button and let's see what happens. Processing sign up. That means you're hitting my card. Okay, welcome. You've successfully created a free trial account. Please log in below. Let's sign in and see what happens. Nothing happens. Oh, it was going well until that point.
No.
Try harder. Help.
Okay, well, that did not work. So let's go back here
Come here.
to log in. I am not a robot.
What?
Although I would love to be sometimes. There we go. Okay, so we got a link. Select the store you'll be selling on. We're going to be using US. Link your Amazon account. Okay, link my account. Confirm. Yes, you can have access to all that information. The better help me. I appreciate that.
Come on.
And it's linking to the Amazon account, somehow doing some magic stuff in the background. Let's see how easy this process is. I don't want to have to jump through all sorts of hoops just to get the two damn websites connected. It drives me crazy. I hate it when it takes an hour to get things connected and just working right. I guess I'm impatient that way.
Uh-oh.
Okay. Link account.
Try again.
Linking account failed. Error. The request has an invalid grant parameter. Code.
Sorry.
That doesn't tell me anything. Okay. Nothing here to click on.
Let's go.
Please work. Oh, there we go. Account linked successfully.
Fantastic.
That is what I like to hear. Okay, welcome to Source Mogul. You can help speed as quickly as possible. Let's do the product tour.
Ready.
Okay, this is the dashboard page. You'll find recent product searches, global settings, okay, important messages. Excellent. Oh, I like that. Quick videos right at the top of the page.
Very nice.
Hey, Ed. And start search right up there. Set up and run your product searches.
Fantastic.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, see my current searches. Results page. We'll see how long things take to search. Wish list can be found here. Any products added to the wish list will have their stock status checked, and you can also run a bulk stock check at any time. Now that sounds like something I'd want. I don't know.
What?
Don't have a clue what that is. You can also access global settings, billing information, and more in the menu. Okay. And we have completed the product tour.
Thank you.
Welcome to Source Mogul. Maybe we should watch the video.
No.
Quick start guide. 3 minutes.
Oh no.
All right. Let's be total idiots here. And FBA fee, other costs, shipping estimate per item. Per item.
What?
Let's call that $1. Fulfillment cost.
Very nice.
No, we're not using a third-party fulfillment company yet. Cashback amount, nothing. Imperial, feet inches. All right, so we're going to go with that. Let's see what it's like to start a search for a particular retailer. And who do we want to search at?
Oh my gosh!
Walmart. Let's search at Walmart.
Fantastic.
Okay. Now, what do? Oh,
Try harder.
we want a... You can tell I have not studied any of this stuff.
Not right.
And there's no real shipping per item. We want to go with free
Correct answer.
from Walmart. And I want to go for a 75% discount. And I want to search the selected. Okay. Expected profitability on 5,000. Just started. It's in progress. We can see a bar here. 1% progress. All right. I'll be back. All right, it's just about done. It says progress 100%. Hey, for the record, let me be perfectly clear. I don't know what I'm doing. I haven't studied any best setup for it, how to best screen products, how to do all of that intelligent setup. This is just like you, setting something up, trying it, registering for an account just from scratch and never reading the instructions in the box. All right, it looks like it is 100% done. And let's look at, we have some results. And they are not awesome results. It looks like our search was not great because it's showing the products at Walmart are almost as expensive as the products at Amazon. So I did the search wrong.
What?
When I said 70%, I didn't want 70% of the Amazon price. But again, I haven't read the instruction. So that's it. That's how long it took me to get started and registering in Source Mogul, trying out the free account. You saw what I had to go through. There was a little bit of a hiccup there, and then I just had to keep dealing with it. I had to put a credit card in, and if I'm going to cancel, get my free trial, I got to remember to cancel before they hit my card. And now I'm going to go study how to really use this piece of software to help me with retail arbitrage. Hey, this is Steve Rode from the Penny Stupid Product.
Not right.
Hey, this is Steve Rode from the Penny Stupid Project, and until next time, keep side hustling. See ya!
Awesome!